Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a user to your Bigcommerce site. Adding users helps us work together as a team and assign roles so everyone can manage the store easily. Let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to the settings. We can find the settings on the left side of the page. Here is the settings. We click on this option. Next, we scroll down to Advanced Users. Here, under Users, we can add new users. For example, let's create a user. We enter the email. Let's use this email as an example. Set the status to active. We can also set a preferred language. Here, we assign the roles for the new user. The options are Sales Manager, Store Administrator, or Custom. Let's choose Store Administrator for this user. As a store administrator, we set the permissions. For example, if we want to allow managing products, we check that option. If we do not check it, the user cannot create products. This is how the function works. We can also edit customer management permissions. We can copy these settings based on what the store administrator needs to do or not do. No issues. We can also assign high-risk permissions, such as creating API or store API access. These permissions are high risk because they allow access to accounts and credit card payments. So we need to be careful when giving these roles to a store admin user. If we are just testing, we can add this permission, but it depends on what we need. We can also enable the webhook for this user. When we are done, we just click Save. Once it is saved, the user is now added to our site. That is how we add someone to a Bigcommerce site. By setting the right permissions and roles, we can safely manage the store with our team.